Hello, my name is Kirsten Tibballs and I'm going to share with you my go-to honeycomb recipe. Now it's not only easy to make, but it's beautiful to eat. Before you start, you do need to prepare a bowl. Doesn't matter what sort of bowl you're using, grease it lightly with some oil and then line it with some baking paper. In a large saucepan, because it is going to froth up, we place some water. Glucose, I've warmed this up a little bit in the microwave, which makes it easier to remove from the bowl. We have honey, which is the sweetest sugar out of the three that we've added. You do need your bicarb soda weighed and handy with a small sieve. What the bicarb soda is going to do once we add it is it's going to release some gas and aerate the mixture, which makes it beautiful and crunchy to eat. We're going to bring this all together on the induction cooktop and I'm going to use setting number 8. Or if you want to be precise, it's 156 degrees Celsius. For each temperature, so we sieve in the bicarb, give it a whisk, just enough to foam it up. Then we pour it into the prepared bowl. This is so rewarding, seeing all the bubbles there. The important thing at this stage, as tempting as it is, don't poke it and don't move it because you will release some of that air that we've trapped inside it. So let it sit here to cool. It will darken in color, so it looks quite light when you take it off. But once you're ready to crack it open, you'll see that beautiful golden hue inside. Once a honeycomb cools completely, we can then chop it up. Look at that texture. I'm cutting some pieces about this size and I'm going to dip half in chocolate. Tempering some chocolate is so easy with an induction cooktop. Place the chocolate into a saucepan. You only need induction setting number 4. You're going to stir it continuously until you have half liquid, half solid chocolate. As soon as you reach that stage, you're going to place it into a bowl and vigorously stir it. All the chocolate is melted, so I'm ready to start dipping my honeycomb. It's up to you what size pieces you dip. I'm not dipping the whole honeycomb. I'm just going to dip a portion of it. If you do fully enclose a honeycomb in chocolate, it will seal completely and last a lot longer. Me leaving this open like this means it'll only last a few hours. You are going to absolutely love this decadent treat, my chocolate honeycomb.